welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our today's video on latest vlog tungkol sa Spotify Wrap at may updates kahapon sa SM Caloocan. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-like, share, comment sa videos at upload na 100 subscriber. Supportan natin sa ating social media if supportan natin for me. Latest vlog for today ay Spotify Wrap 2024 Plus. SM Caloocan natin for latest vlog 294 and episode 294 Here's our vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panayin natin muna sa ating highlights for today. Okay, simulan natin. 369 days since Spotify Wrap 2020. Medyo tagal na hinihintay. December 4, Wednesday, na-announce na who be the top songs, top albums, and top artists for the year 2024 Spotify Wrap. Una muna natin sa global muna tayo. For top songs, syempre, lahat by Taylor Swift. Congratulations. And top songs yan. Top artist din si Taylor Swift. Globally. Congratulations. And top album yung TTPD. The Torch Poet. Tigas na kung may album. Congrats Taylor Swift. Pero dito naman sa ating bansa, sa Pilipinas, top songs by Beanie as a top songs is called Salamin Salamin, and top artist local top artist kasi si Hep Abby or Beanie. For top, tama local or group. Congratulations Beanie. Yes, Beanie and Hep Abby, congratulations. And the top album by Beanie, the Alawan. Pero congratulations. After 4 years of Ben and Ben from 2023 as the Spotify Wrap's local group artist. Now, Beanie's new hell as the queen of local Spotify Wrap for 2024. Congratulations! Ito naman tayo sa my Spotify Wrap. My top 5 are Nagbago ang Mundo by Zeppelin, Celebrate Love Remix. Top 3 to Sabihin by Zeppelin. Top 3 yan. Top 2 is Paradise by Justin Timberlake featuring NSYNC, and the top 1 goes to Song by Icy Guerra is ATM. Pero sa top artists, ang top 5 are Nico de Rosario, top 4 NSYNC, top 3 Icy Guerra, top 2 Justin Timberlake, and top 1 goes to Zeppelin. And of course, yung mga music evolution like Opium Museum Koto and Smoothie Rollback. Congratulations! And we hope to see you for the next year's Spotify Wrap 2025. Thank you, Spotify. Now, here's the updates on SM Caloocan. Okay, eto na. Kahapon, December 7, sa ginanap na mall shows ng bagong pelikula ng MMFF na Strange Frequencies, the Taiwan Killer Hospital with Enrique Hill and Alexa Miller with no Jane De Leon, no MJ Lastimosa sa mall show. But, hopefully, sa December 25, mapapanood ang pelikula na hinihintay lahat. The Strange Frequencies, the Taiwan Killer Hospital. And the other 9 films sa MMFF was kasi the Team The Kingdom McCoy. Ayoko na Breadwinner, ayoko na Espantajo. Team The Kingdom tayo. Kaya, show me na this December 25. Thank you, SM Caloocan, participation, Enrique Hill, and Alex Miller. Yan for our latest vlog. December na, birth month pa. See you vlog sa vlog. Bye, God bless.